Hello, lesson 5 is about pivot counts. What is pivot counts? Well, pivot counts come in a few guises, right? The extreme is always going to be 0. You then have 1, you then have 2, you then have 3, you then have 4, and then you have 5. This is the standard way of counting pivots. Gann waves, Elliott waves. Alan Andrews used to use these as well. That's the Alan Andrews pitchfork. This is a standard way of using them. We also have P3. What's a P3? Well, it just goes to 3, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. That's it. That's all you get, okay? So sometimes there's a thing I call a stumpy P5. What is a stumpy P5? It doesn't make a new low, right? Or doesn't make a new high, depending if it's up or down. I would call this a stumpy P5. How do we use these? We use these as a level of confluence. Okay, so in this SPOOS chart here, we can follow price and see what's going on, right? So here, let's have a look. We've got, okay, so we've got a low from here to here. And that fell into a Momo box. So on this situation here, here's your Momo box. How many, what did we have in here? We've got a 0. Okay, I'll draw it with this so it's very clear for you. That there is 0. You got 1, 2, stumpy P3. Stumpy P3 it is. This is stumpy P3 into Momo. That's how we do them. Well, that's how we do them. So the next one, we've got this one here, which is, what is this? That's in no man's land. Yep, that's in no man's land. This one here, let's have a look. Again, that looks like it's in no man's land as well. Oh no, it's into Momo. Okay, so this one here, what do we got here? Again, your eye immediately tells you your pullbacks, right? So this is very simply 0, 1, 2, 3. It's a P3 into a Momo. Okay, P3 into Momo is very good. P5 into a Momo is very good. P3 into a TD is very good. P5 into a TD is very good. So here we can see price came up. Now, see this here? What's that? That's a major swing, right? Good place to pull your fib from. Oh, we're into Momo. Okay, here you go. This is nice. What is this? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. P5 into Momo. Very strong. That is going to break a new high. Very strong. Okay. What else we got here? Let's have a look. I mean, you get the idea, right? It's not difficult, right? So this one here looks like it's one here. Yep, into TD. Okay, so this one looks a bit tricky. Sometimes they're a bit ugly like this, right? But again, you gotta be pretty clear what it is. And then you've got something to work with. So that is 0. That's 1. That's 2. That's a new low. 3, 4, 5. It's a P5 into a TD. P5s into TD are very high probability it's going to break a new high. Okay. How do you use these? Use it as a confluence. Pretty straightforward, hopefully. Okay, that's it for pivot counts.